Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be doing some Jamaican steam white rice, the perfect white rice. I'm using jasmine rice. Grab a pot with water. I'm putting some coconut oil in mine. You can use butter, a pinch of salt, some green onion or scallion. You can chop up your green onion and leave it mine whole. Cover your pot, bring that to a boil. Once your water starts to boil, add your white rice to the pot, give that a stir, cover and let that boil again for 5 minutes. Once that boil, remove your lid, give that a stir, make sure no rice grain is stuck to the bottom of the pot. Cover again, boil for another 15-20 minutes on medium to low heat. Once your water is all absorbed and your rice grain is soft, take a fork, check it,